Hello guys, it's me Ayos from Ayos videos. On today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to track your phone. So firstly, you have to go to your settings. After going to your settings, then search accounts. You can also try this on Apple phone. Just follow some steps. So after going to the account, then add an account. Add a Google account. So that's it, your Gmail. You have to add it to the phone you want to track. Make sure you remember your Gmail and the password. Then add your Gmail to it. Then add your password to it. Then press I agree. After pressing the I agree, it will take you back to settings. Go back to Google, then make sure that the Gmail is there. Then you go to your Play Store on the phone you want to use to track your phone. Then type find phone. After typing that, make sure it is application. I'll put the link in the description part. So after that, install the application. Then open it. After you've opened it, then sign in with the Gmail you used in your phone. I signed the Gmail into this phone and that phone. So this is the phone set in your hand. So it means my own phone is with me and the phone I want to track. So it will show the location of the phone I want to track. It will show the current position, the percent of the phone, the Wi-Fi the phone is connected to, and everything. So that's the distance between me and the phone I'm tracking. It will show you all the information on the phone presently. So you can play sound on it, like the ringtone. You can play it from the phone you are using to track it. So if it's near to you, you can just know. Then you can check all the information about the phone. So this is the device information to show you all the information about the phone, the name of the phone, the date it was registered, so that's my phone there. I checked my phone. I can also check this. You can even erase the phone from the phone you are using to track it. You can do a lot of things from it. You can even secure it. By securing it, the phone will be useless for anybody who has stolen it. So that's all about today's video. On my next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to plant a tracker to your phone, and this time around you'll be able to see the face of anybody who steals your phone and all the location the person has visited. So try to watch the video.